If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the JASMY video update. Alright, so Bitcoin started making some moves. JASMY follows, and right now we're trading at 2,990. So we do have 3 more days to end December, and it will be interesting how December is going to come to an end. I really want to see how December comes to an end. And Bitcoin has a bearish engulfing. Let me tell you guys, be careful. You have a technical target coming down to 2560. This is your technical target right over there. Okay, that's your technical target. Move to the downside, touch that technical target, and it will be something that I still expect this to be met, and then all the way down to those particular areas. Now you can see that this was a bear flag made right here. You broke out of the bear flag. I've been making updates again and again. Broke out of the bear flag, come for the retest, go rejected, and from here you're looking for that move even way more lower. Okay, and right now you got to be careful, and let's actually dive into the 4-hour time frame as well. And this is how the 4-hour time frame looks like. If you've been trying to make some sort of a double bottom as well. So I would say if you want to continue lower, first of all, keep in mind we need a stop loss at 2927 because you never know. For example, this is a support. You have support right there, and you potentially have a morning star right over here as well. So that means that, for the sake of support, this is still holding support, right? You're not losing support because previous 2 supports had a very good reaction to the upside. Had reaction there, had reaction here. You never know if you just have another reaction right over there as well. So basically, it would be a good idea to start to lose 2927 to break the whole pattern and to break the whole support, and then try to backtest the support and then continue to move to 2556. And that's pretty much it for this quick update right now. Always understand that this, if we try to get above 3274, we have good chances of moving up to 36. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.